PTC heater, it's only a small heater that goes in the battery, and we pass air through it to reheat that battery, or to keep and get some good temperature, because the critical temperature usually, even if it's -20, -30 outside, if we leave the car plugged in overnight, it will maintain the temperature of the battery. So the PTC heater will work even if it's plugged in, even if the car is fully charged, we're going to maintain the temperature of that battery.
And I flew out to LA and sat down with them and said, what gives? You have to do this. We're not doing it. Like EPA regs require, if you sell cars in the United States, you have to give us Mode 6. Can't do it. Why? Because those little Donalds they put on the web, that's how they said it, I'm just repeating it, that they put on the diagnostic link, those break our cars. They break transmissions. Okay, so I couldn't see how those things were connected, but they saw them as connected. And so if you give out Mode 6 information, what happens? Well, then more people will build those stupid things. Okay, all right, I get the logic. Well, what if we solve that problem over here? Oh, well, how you gonna do that? I don't know, I got reach of 225,000 technicians. Would that be okay? Yeah. We had this information in 30 minutes. I didn't even get back to my car, and it was already an email.